Hi, and welcome to our monthly property market update video. In this video, we will discuss interest rates, auction clearance rates, supply of stock on the market, and I will share with you a couple of positive cash flow properties that we secured for our clients, where they were, and how you can find similar properties even with high interest rates. And most important, you don't have to compromise on capital growth. So if you're an investor, a property owner, or a property guru who likes to keep tabs on the property market, keep watching. The RBA ran an end of financial year special for us and held the July interest rates at 4.1%. According to CoreLogic, the Australian housing values moved through a fourth month of recovery, and CoreLogic's National Home Value Index recorded a rise of 1.1% in June, which was slightly slower than the month before at 1.2%. Sydney continues to lead the pack with an impressive 1.7% increase in June. So in dollar terms, Sydney values have increased just over $4,000 a week. So if you put your property buying plans on hold in June because you wanted to save a few $100s on a Jetstar ticket sale to go on a holiday, for example, congratulations, that may have cost you another $16,000 or so. The lack of supply continues to be the main factor keeping upwards pressure on the housing market. Through June, the flow of new listings was nearly 10% below the previous 5-year average. And this has reflected nicely in the auction clearance rates for July, where the average clearance rate across all states was 70.3%. Last year it was 53.2%. So the property market continues to head in the right direction. A standard variable home loan rate now sits around 6%, and the property prices are increasing steadily. So now, more than ever, it's very important to have the right investing strategy in place that works for you. So if you're wondering what the cash flow of an investment property looks like today, I have a couple of property acquisition examples that I want to share with you. The first property is an established property that we secured off the market to one of our clients in Western Australia. The property was secured for $360,000 and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa. The rental income is between $460 and $500 a week. And the cash flow based on a 20% deposit with a 6.5% interest-only loan is anywhere from neutral to positive. During the financial year, the property is quite sustainable, and after the claiming of depreciation or whatnot, it's even more cash flow positive. So if you want to find out more about this property, drop me an email using one of the links below, and more than happy to share more information with you. The other property example that I want to share with you was a brand new house and land in South Australia. So the first one was in Western Australia, this one is in South Australia, which we sourced for a client. And in this situation, we are building the house. The total package came just under $480,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and to mitigate the risk of building, we negotiated a fixed price contract, full turnkey package for our client. The land was also registered, which means construction can start straight away. Based on a 20% deposit and a 6.5% interest-only home loan, the cash flow after claiming depreciation would be positive, and the estimated tax savings are circa $6,000. With $6,000 in tax reductions, you can fund your next holiday using the taxman's money and not yours. If you want to find out more about this property example, again, drop me an email or book a phone call with me using one of the links in the description below. More than happy to share some information with you. The two property examples, they showcase that you can still find neutral to positive cash flow properties in today's market. You just need the right team to help guide you through the process and to give you access to those opportunities. At Buyers Club, we were very happy to see that the markets we have been recommending for our clients to invest in were the top performing markets over the last 12 months. According to CoreLogic, these markets are Playford, Gawler and Salisbury in South Australia, and Mandurah, Kwinana, Rockingham and Armidale in Western Australia. Thank you so much for lending me your attention today. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed putting it together. I'll talk to you again soon.